unveiling the health secrets of oranges. Discover the amazing health benefits packed into every orange. Oranges aren't just tasty, they're a nutritional powerhouse that can enhance your overall well-being. Rich in vitamin C, oranges are famous for boosting your immune system. This essential nutrient supports the production of white blood cells, which defend your body against infections and illnesses. Regularly eating oranges can help reduce the severity and duration of colds and other ailments. But that's not all. Oranges are also loaded with dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and supports gut health. Plus, they're low in calories and fat-free, making them perfect for weight management. The vibrant orange color of oranges comes from their high levels of carotenoids, powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Oranges also contribute to heart health by regulating blood pressure levels and improving blood vessel function thanks to their potassium and flavonoid content. Despite their natural sugars, oranges have a low glycemic index due to their fiber content, making them suitable for individuals with diabetes. And let's not forget about bone health. Oranges contain calcium, essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth, while vitamin C aids in mineral absorption. Incorporating oranges into your diet is an easy way to support your health, from boosting immunity to aiding digestion and promoting heart health. Enjoy oranges fresh, juiced, or in your favorite dishes for a healthier, vibrant life. Don't forget to like, share, and stay healthy.